Pros and cons of online and traditional education. Traditional education. Traditional education is the usual way of learning that happens in classrooms, where a teacher talks and students listen, read textbooks, and take tests to understand and remember information. Pros of traditional education. Face-to-face interaction. Social development. Hands-on experiences. Cons of traditional education. Limited flexibility. Geographical constraints. Potentially higher costs. Online education. Online education is when you learn things using the internet or device. Instead of going to a physical school, you use websites and videos to study and complete your lessons. Pros of online education. Flexibility in the learning schedule. Access to global resources. Cost-effective options. Cons of online education. Lack of face-to-face interaction. Self-discipline required. Potential for isolation. Advanced technologies like virtual reality, gamification, and AI-driven adaptive learning are changing how students learn and remember information. Technology is reshaping education. While online learning offers flexibility and ease, traditional classrooms are still significant for developing social skills and fostering interaction. The future of education lies in a balanced approach. Do like and subscribe for more informative content.